Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing the Canon PIXMA G4280 printer software onto your computer, whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux-based device. So this is an all-in-one inkjet printer that offers printing, scanning, and copying functionality. So with a lot of Canon's printers, this does offer the Mega Tank refillable ink system, and there are a variety of different options to connect it to your device, whether it is through a Wi-Fi based connection, a LAN based device, or a USB connection. You're welcome to use all three of those options in order to connect. And there is an accompanying app through Canon that you can also use to print wirelessly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. Doesn't really matter which one. And you want to just go search for Canon PIXMA G4280 and search for that. And you want to maybe add drivers on the end of that as well. And it should say Canon support for Megatank PIXMA G4280. Select that. And there may be different regional versions of the Canon website, but you can see I'm on the USA page here. You want to get it directly from Canon if you can. You can read additional information about this printer on this page as well if you go underneath manuals. But we're going to just scroll underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then you can see it's already populated the fields here for the operating system as well as version. And just go underneath option number 3 here, software and driver results. And we're going to select the master setup option for Windows and select download because that is the system I'm currently running on here. So we're going to go ahead and select that installer once it's done downloading and select yes to run it. You notice that it was a verified publisher, so we selected yes on that. Select your language. We're going to go ahead and select OK, and then select your region from this drop-down menu. Select OK again. And then this point would follow along with the on-screen prompts of starting up the setup utility, and you can connect it through different means like I discussed earlier in this tutorial. So it's a pretty straightforward process from here, guys, and you just would agree to the terms of service, select next, and then just follow along with the on-screen prompts. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.